Today we are demonstrating how to use Sophtron inside ChatGPT. First, we need to add Sophtron as an app or connector to my ChatGPT account. As you can see, just create a new connector and enter Softron's MCP URL, then choose OAuth. It will add the connector. Once Sophtron is added to ChatGPT, just type Launch Sophtron to open up the Sophtron widget. Here you can type your bank name, like Chase, and then enter the login name and password. Sophtron widget will go through the bank login process, prompt you to answer MFA, and get you connected securely. You can choose which account to import into ChatGPT, so only the data you want to be imported will be accessed. More sensitive data like account number, owner's name, etc. will not be imported into ChatGPT. User can also tell ChatGPT to never train with the data imported to protect users' privacy. Now that my credit card account transaction is successfully imported into my ChatGPT account, I can start asking ChatGPT to analyze and summarize my data and act like my personal financial advisor to give me advice on budgeting. As you can see, ChatGPT has security measures in place. It will ask for you permission to only access the account and transactions that you explicitly grant access to ChatGPT. Your transactions are only visible to yourself within your ChatGPT account. As you can see, ChatGPT now returns to me a pretty detailed summary of my spending. It can categorize my spendings accurately, like how much has been spent on food, shopping, health, kids, respectively. More importantly, it can give me good advice on where I have been overspending and how I could change and spend less. ChatGPT is really acting like my personal financial advisor here. I can also ask ChatGPT to create a budget for me and set up rules for budgeting, like how much my budget should be for grocery shopping every month. ChatGPT can remember these budget rules, and I can come back to it every week to see how I am tracking on my budgets. I can also do something more fun, like asking ChatGPT to roast me for my spending. It does not hold back punches.
Style. All right, let me lay it on you. Imagine me as the most grumpy, red pen wielding accountant in town. First off, your spending habits look like they were designed by a committee of squirrels who just discovered online shopping. Every time I look at your transactions, I can practically hear your bank account weeping. Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. Do you have a personal goal to single-handedly fund Bezos' next space trip? And the grocery stores, why do you shop at so many different ones? You're not creating a financial strategy, you're creating a scavenger hunt. Look, I'm not here to say you can't enjoy life, but maybe, just maybe your credit card doesn't need to be the MVP of every single retailer.
There are more things I can do, like comparing my spending with Seattle's average household. With the data directly imported from my credit card account, the advice I can get from ChatGPT is much more useful. I can set up budget rules, track my spending on a weekly basis, and get really applicable financial advice. With personal data, I feel that I can finally unleash the power of AI to better my daily life.